Good morning, class. I'm General Peñamante from BTVTED 2E. And in this morning, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-layout ng Boolean expression circuit gamit yung ating application na Tinkercad. So, open lang natin yung ating Tinkercad na application. And then, kung makikita nyo dito sa right side, ito yung Boolean expression na i-layout natin by using Tinkercad. And then, ito naman yung schematic diagram na magiging basis natin sa pag-layout natin. And then, sa bandang baba naman ito, ito naman yung truth table na magiging basis natin kung tama ba yung output performance ng ating na-layout na circuit.
As you can see, we change the set of our components into all components. So all components that we are going to search in our search bar will appear below. First, we are going to search for breadboard. And then we are going to put next our power supply. Now we need to apply load from power supply into our breadboard by putting wires from the positive and negative terminal of our breadboard. Next, we're gonna look for our slide switch, which represent our inputs. And then we are going to put next our logic gate ICs, which is 74H04 or our NOT gate. Then 7432, which is our OR gate, and lastly 7408, which is our AND gate. And then we're just simply put wires from our pin number 14 into positive terminal, which serve as our power. And then we are going to put wire from our pin number 7 or ground from negative terminal. Then we are going to connect all the terminal to our switches in our negative terminal, while all the terminal 1 of our switches will we need to connect in our positive terminal. Next, we are going to put note in each of our switches so you can easily identify which switch represent input A, input B, and input C. According to our schematic diagram, switch A or input A need to be connected in the input 1 of our OR gate. Then input number 2 of our OR gate in input B. And it said from our schematic diagram that our input B is also need to be connected in input number 1 of our NOT gate. And our input letter C is also need to be connected in our OR gate, since input 1A and input 1B of our OR gate is already filled with switch A and B. Then we are going to connect switch C in our second input or input 2A. And as you can see in our schematic diagram, the output of our NOT gate is need to be connected in the input 2B of our OR gate. Now, the first output of our OR gate is need to be connected in input 1A of our AND gate, and also the second output of our OR gate is need to be connected in input 1B of our AND gate. Now we are going to put resistor before the LED light so we can easily control the current that will flow in our LED light. And then we are going to put LED light, which will represent the output of our circuit. Now that we are already finished to assemble all of our components, we can now start simulation and check the output performance of our circuit based on our truth table. According to our truth table, when 3 of our input is all 0, then the output will be 0. Then when the output is 0, 0 and 1, the output will also be 0. Then when the output is 0, 1, 0, there will be no output. And then when the output is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, we will have an output. Then when our input is 1, 0 and 0, then we will have an output. And when our input is 1, 0 and 1, we will also have an output. Then when our 3 input is 1, 1 and 0, we are not going to have an output. And then when all of our input are all 1, then we will have an output.